Hey,
Are you looking for a recipe that can help with exfoliating your dry winter skin?
we have a recipe that uses essential oils plus some amazing other common ingredients that your skin is gonna love.
No, this recipe does smell good enough to eat.
But don't eat it.
To make this recipe, you're gonna wanna grab this month's recipe box.
We are going to grab our labels and our recipe card, and we're going to grab candy cane essential oil blends.
And from your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab your solid coconut oil
From your kitchen, grab 1 cup of oatmeal.
and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar.
You can also add a teaspoon of honey, which is optional. So we're going to mix everything together in the jar we're going to use it with. To do our jar, we're going to add our oatmeal and brown sugar and our teaspoon of honey. And already it is smelling good. All right, she's going to mix that. I'll measure out our 1/4 cup of coconut oil. And I'm going to melt this. I can melt this using short intervals in the microwave or using a double boiler.
To our melted coconut oil, we're gonna add 5 drops of candy cane.
Stir it so that it's well diluted. We don't want that essential oil just sitting on top. We want it all mixed in. Now we're gonna add this to our mixture. All right, she's gonna mix that. All right, that looks good.
Okay.
Once that coconut oil is evenly incorporated, you're done. Super easy and simple recipe to make. That is so good for your skin. The coconut oil is nourishing, while the brown sugar and oatmeal exfoliates.
It smells good enough to eat, but make sure you don't eat it. Also, don't forget to put your label on and your little gift tag if you wanna.
And once it's labeled, it's ready to go.
For more fun recipes just like this to make your own DIY gifts for Christmas time, go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
You'll love the ease this box gives you when learning how to use essential oils.
Thanks for watching.